guys, it's Jessie Lipke. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making chocolate avocado pudding. This is actually one of my mom's recipes. She's made this for me for many years. It's quick, it's easy, it's high in protein. What more could you want? So let's get started. These are all of the ingredients that you're going to need in today's recipe. So we have 2 ripe avocados. We have half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. We're going to be using 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, as well as 1/3 cup of erythritol. This is a natural sweetener. It's an alternative to sugar. And then we'll be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We have 2 hard-boiled eggs. We'll remove the egg yolk and just use the egg whites. And we'll have a pinch of salt. Over here you see that we have mint leaves and raspberries. This is just to garnish. This is not going in the blender. So go ahead and grab all of those ingredients and let's go. We're gonna start with our avocados, so you wanna cut them in half. Make sure if they have brown spots, just to scoop them out because it will alter the flavor. So just go ahead and scoop that in. We have our unsweetened almond milk. Let's add our egg whites, erythritol, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Now here I have 1/4 teaspoon. So once you've added all of your ingredients, we can go ahead and blend. So we're just going to blend for about a minute, but then we're going to scrape down the sides just to make sure we get everything. Try your pudding and see if the consistency is the way you like it. I like mine just to be nice and smooth, a bit more firm. If you want yours a bit more liquidy, then just go ahead and add a splash more of the unsweetened almond breeze. So our pudding is done. We're just going to scoop it into a bowl and then refrigerate for an hour. So it's been 1 hour. We've removed our pudding from the fridge. A fun and creative way to serve this pudding would be just using the avocado skin, making sure that you've scooped everything out and you can put it in there. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. Make sure to give this recipe a try and we'll see you next time.